Hi, my name is Anthony. I am a former case manager for the hospital services and on my way to become a Linux engineer. For the past 6.5 years, I've been in case management for the hospital. Um, it's definitely been a career job that has supplemented me for these years, but like all that have come this route, I'm just looking for something more challenging and definitely a little more financial stable and give me some flexibility with my everyday life as well. I did my due diligence maybe over the last 2 years before I chose Linux specifically. I narrowed it down after a while that I wanted to do IT. I did look at cybersecurity, network engineering, cloud, and just in my research and going through all these different programs, when Yellowtail and Linux popped up, Linux was a newer one that I didn't hear as much about. So I dove into the details behind it, and just doing the due diligence and the research, it definitely seemed like a niche and area that I wanted to fill that void in. Well, for me, kind of getting to the point of I was making it so this is my only option to the degree now. Like the current job I'm in doesn't provide me with any more elevation in the role. And on the IT side, it's almost limitless possibilities or avenues that you can enter in. And yes, there's challenges, of course, work and life balances to still have your current job, go to class, do the studies, but when you make something a priority like that, you definitely put in the time and work necessary to make it happen. I would say don't. I mean, unless that's truly where you feel content and want to be at. But if you have any of that reserves that this isn't enough, you have to find that inner motivation to make it happen. I always like a saying, you can't buy motivation. But, if you're motivated enough to change your current status quo, you'll make it happen.